Like President Sarkozy, my view is that Iran's possession of a nuclear weapon would be profoundly dangerous, not just to the United States, not just to Israel, but to the entire region and over time, the entire world.
We must get ready. Yes, we must all get ready now. This is very, very, very important. We all know the atomic bomb is very dangerous. We must obey the atomic bomb. It's a bomb. It's a bomb. If you are not ready, did not know what to do, it could hurt you. First, you duck. Then, you cover. This is very, very important. Duck and cover. Duck and cover, and do it fast. Duck and cover. This family knows what to do, just as your own family should. They know that even a thin cloth helps protect them. Even a newspaper can save you from a bad burn.